Welcome everyone, it is Funny Electronics again. We are back with a new video. In this video, we are come with a new topic, desoldering process. It is mainly done with a soldering iron and desoldering twig and also some soldering wire. So let's get started.
So this is the transistor I want to desolder from this PCB. So at first flip the PCB board. You can see this is the joints or the solders we want to desolder. So now take the soldering iron and heat it. This is the desoldering twig. Okay, at first with the soldering iron heat the solders of the transistor. You can see here I heat up the solder to melt it. Now you can apply desoldering twig here. Apply the desoldering twig over the solder and press it with the soldering iron. Okay. So repeat this process again and again. Press the soldering twig against the solder of the terminal. You can see the here very clearly. The soldering twig absorb the solder and the soldering terminals are clean. You can see here. You can see the terminals are cleared from solder. You can see here very clearly this. So we can easily remove the transistor. This is the desoldering process. Thank you.